Go to MailboxValidator website, then go to Integrations, click on Zapier, next, go to Validate New Facebook Lead Add Leads with MailboxValidator and click on Use this Zap. Choose Facebook Lead Ads as the app and choose New Lead as the trigger event. Click on Continue. After that, choose Facebook Lead Ads account. You can connect your Facebook Lead Ads account if you did not connect it before. Click on Continue. After that, choose your page and form. You can create your page and form at your Facebook page if you do not have them. Click on Continue. Let's test your trigger. This is your result. Click on Continue. Choose MailboxValidator as the app and choose Validate Email as the action event. Click on Continue. Then choose your MailboxValidator account. You can connect your MailboxValidator account if you did not connect it before. Click on Continue. Select Email. Click on Continue. Then click on Test and Continue. This is your email validation result. Lastly, turn on your Zap to get started. And you are done.